So I'm going to quickly show you how to download HubStaff and get it started. So firstly, in Google you want to search download HubStaff. Then go on this link here. It says download time tracking software for Windows. Then I presume you have Windows, but if you have Mac or Chromebook, then you can go on them. I've got Windows, so I'm going to download this. Take a little second to download. And then open that up. Click yes. And then this is the installer thing. So I agree, next, 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 next. And we've already done that. So here we have the HubStaff app. I'll put it over here. On top of that. So most of the time you're going to be sourcing. So what you do is you can select the project you're on. So for example sourcing, and then you press at the start of the day you're going to press start, and then that will time you throughout the day. If you then need to send a message to me or something, you can press stop on that, and you can press contact Skype, and then press start on that. And then let's say we do that for 10 seconds. And then you can obviously stop that and go back to sourcing. You can add a note saying, I don't know, sourcing on Chemist Direct. You don't need to do that, that's just in case you want to put anything in there. And then at the end of the day, when you're completely done for the whole day, stop working completely, you're going to press stop. And then you can close this down. You can press quit. And then that's you done for the day. You're finished work and you're done.